Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I have new nails. I'm so in love with these nails. Like, what the hell? Oh my god. Yo mad. So in love with these nails. I did these nails, I think I did this yesterday. I have a vlog already up, my maintenance vlog where I was doing these nails. Love them so much. Today it's a Saturday. I don't have any plans. It's the 30th of December. Good morning, welcome to my channel. I am Lebu and I'm with my son. He is busy, lazing around. I would show you, but I don't think I can because the state that he is in. Hey, so I'm done having breakfast. I just want to quickly tidy up before my son wakes up and then take a bath, hopefully before he wakes up, because these days I just can't do anything, guys. Ever since he started walking, I go this side, he's here, I go this side, he's here. As in, it's a lot, guningi, but let me just wash the dishes, try to tidy up, then take a bath, hopefully before he wakes up. Let us see. Sanbonani, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do not leave without clicking that subscribe button down below. Today it's the 2nd of January, guys. Ukukhathala kuthini? Yo, like, I feel like I need to stop drinking. So my battery died while I was still recording. I'm saying that I feel like I need to stop drinking alcohol because, like, what the hell, guys? What the hell? Oh wow. That's one day so fele manyaleni. One day we will die in the manyals. I'm so tired and I want to go to the mall and run some errands. And then let me not say what I'm going to do. You will see throughout this vlog, because sometimes I say things, then I change my mind, then people think I'm unreliable and whatnot. And I also want to uninstall this week because yeah, it's a mess. It's a mess. Maybe I will install it again. I don't know. I will see. But I'm definitely taking it out today. So let me clean and then I'll bath, then go to the mall. So guys, I'm on my way to the mall now. Hey, yeah, as in this installation. Hey. I don't know, maybe I will try to install it again when I come back, because this one that I did it at the salon, yeah. So I have all the things that I needed to do an installation. I'm scared I might do it wrong because I've never done an installation before. So I'm thinking of uninstalling this one, then trying it again and see the results. I don't know, guys. What if I uninstall it and then the results are so bad? Worse than this one. I can see if it gets a wheel tracker. I can see. Let's go to the mall. Smile. Smile. So guys, I'm so sad. I ordered what is this? What's it? Buffalo thighs. It's spam. Did I not regret my decision? Those things are so not nice. Even the sauce is bad. Tastes sour. I'm so sad, Sham. Yo, guys, I have uninstalled my wig. Just look at how. Sham. Ugliness reloaded. This vlog was supposed to be a day in my life, but like, because now it's dragging and dragging, and now it's the following day. Even yesterday, like, it was day 2. So I'll just say a few days in my life, so that I don't confuse y'all. But like, guys, in Shem, I look so ugly as fuck. And Nanje, I just came back from the shop to buy a hair dye. I don't even know what is on Fanela, because like, I look so bad. And worse, I've never dyed my hair before. And guys, I've never colored my hair. I bought Inecto, this one. I've never done anything like any color, like with my natural hair, and angazi like ngazifaka mina dye. I don't know how to say this in English. I have never done my own hair in a color before. So like, it's like I'm even like having doubts with this color. Or maybe I can say we get to be a tracker. I can see little bona, but yeah, man, I have a big head foot. That's what I've realized. Let me put on this dye and see what happens. Guys, I am scared. Hi, lighting, man. Why you understand? So I was using the stick sakhona, but like, it's very slow, and I don't have all day. I want to start cooking before load shedding hits, because wow, load shedding is back. Man. So guys, I'm hoping for the best. I hope this color suits me. Well, I'm going to up. Hi Shem. Zalani, yes. Zalana snowman. Hi Zalana. Wow, Nkosi yami, ithayithi yami ngithanda kanje, awusuke yabona nhlakaniphi into ongenzisa zona, uwe wonke lo. Suka. We izoyidaya ne? And Nkosi yami. Hayi Shem, ayidliwa, unubona lesitsha nje, that's why ngilandela uhambe le. Hayi Thinki phela kuwukwata ne ngakusuwothelela ngaleyiwele la uyaphi lapho ngabona le dayi le yabheda ngiblame wena ngikutshela ngiblame wena ngizobona. Guys, I read somewhere but when you put on a dye, you must wear clothes that you like, in indala, old clothing. Don't wear your nice clothes. I feel like I have something on my back, but I can't see it. Suka la nhlangani kuzozikwele le dye. Hamba le. Hamba kusifiso. Fiso. Yeah. Askis hamba kusifiso ne? Kusifiso. Gijim. Seziyaphela mara la angakafani. Hamba kusifiso. Gijim uyakufisa. Hey guys, these toddlers, they will follow you everywhere. No, I feel like there's something wrong with my scalp. One day I need to check, because when I put on a relaxer, like, it hurts immediately when I start. It hurts like I have a londa or something, and now I can feel it is hurting. It's burning, and like it's burning. So I need to check it one day. Check up. Something I need to do a scope and check what's wrong, because something is definitely wrong there. Hamba kusifiso, ithi Fisa. Fisa, uyakubiza le kitchen hamba. Hamba kufisa. Uyakubiza upisa. Wena ubona ini la yogurt? Uyabona ukuthi uyawa? Eish, Nkosi yami. Hey, ngathi nje it's already changing. Yeah, but and my scalp is burning, and I need to leave this for 45 minutes. Nina. It's so burning, like. Okay. Hlakanipho yeah, I hope I'm not allergic to something up. My hand scalp is burning, guys. Or maybe it will cool off, ne? It works like a relaxer na oranjani. No, I think I'm allergic. It hurts so bad, like it's burning even on my neck. Man. Ish. Because will I survive 45 minutes here? And what if when I wash it my hair? Okay, let's pull me. Okay, yeah. Here goes nothing. Uyahleka bona umama khuyasha, and esithula endlini bani uzofonela ambulance mangadumba amehlo la. Uzoyifonela guys. Lento le iyababa, like it's burning my hair. I don't know, maybe Veli is supposed to be burning or something. That's why I'm saying I need to check my scalp njengoba vele ngisagundile, so I need to do a scope and check, man. Maybe man, there's something here. Maybe yes maybe. But yeah, while I'm waiting for this 45 minutes, I'll just do the dishes and then cook. Yeah, and then we'll wash the hair, and there's a conditioner. I don't know, you wash and then put conditioner, eh? And then I will see you when I wash. And guys, if something happens, don't laugh, okay? Don't laugh, ne? Don't make me a meme. There, now I'm a meme because my hair was falling out. This can't get as well. Yo. I'm speechless. I am speechless. Okay, maybe. Yes, the box lil, it was written Uguti blonde. So I don't know, what is this? Is it me? Am I the drama? Hey, I want to do some face pitnyana and see. Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe I'm just ugly, hey. But yo, what against cat? Guys, what is sponge? Please like this video and comment down below. Do you guys think I am the drama, or is it bad belonging to cheese cup once? Because I can't, like, I feel like my hair with the natural color was better than this. What is this? I'll see you on my next video. Love you.